Yo-ho, Prof here. And coming up here, we have our first proper Pokemon pull of the night. And that's going to be this Mewtwo EX Box I got down there. Now, been sitting on this one for a while. I'm quite tired. But that's why I've put it off for 2 nights already. Now, tonight I didn't plan on going through a whole bunch of stuff, but those Amazon warehouse ones, those were sure interesting, you know? And that's why I put another delay on this guy, but I think it's time, especially because it's been sitting out, ready to be opened for quite a while, to get it cracked open. We've got her right down there, and yes, that is a Mewtwo plushie with it. That is included. It's going to be interesting. This is by far one of the most expensive ones because it only comes in a set, at least from what I've seen. Mewtwo EX Box, which we'll see in a bit here. An actual Pokemon Center, like official Mewtwo plushie. I mean, like, if I didn't have to buy it for this, I probably wouldn't have. But that's a giant Mewtwo EX card in there too. And then it actually came with one more thing that I'm already using. And it came a little damaged, but see, the corner got whacked. I'm actually glad I got this. I'm probably, as I need more binders, as we used to call them. This is super nice because it's not just the plastic. It's like this cloth material, and it's automatically both-sided, whereas when you use those sleeves, you put one in the back and in the front. It's like one facing the front and back, so like when you flip it, you don't just see the back of the card. This is, however, already like that. And I had to use this because my hollows, between hollows and other cards, it was getting too full and not safe to store that many hollows in the space I had. So like this is like, I guess all these were like $25 or something, because it's an official Pokemon Center Ultra Pro, and I will say I like those pages. Each one of these should be in plenty. Like if you want to do like one per set, like not that everyone's hollow deserves to be in there, but some people do collect like the full set or something. Those are pretty much set up where you can fit an entire like line of cards in one of those. So and here's our Mewtwo plushie. He is kind of ugly, but Mewtwo's kind of ugly. So, yeah. Well, I don't even know how he's supposed to stand. You know, because he's got his tail and stuff, he just falls over. We'll figure that out. But yeah, Walmart had these. They only came in, the comments basically mentioned this as well on there. I think it was like $90 for the bundle or something. Crazy. Just crazy. In my opinion. But I think it's supposed to be like a gift bundle or something like that. But that binder was actually nice. You know, we'll make use of a weird Mewtwo here. Look at that. His nose. So, but after that, what we have is our Mewtwo EX box, and I'm going to remember to take pictures of it this time, so I have it for my records that I have it. And before I open it, because the last couple, I've only taken pictures of when I was like, oh crap, I already opened it. And I just want that, so, because buying these is very visual, especially if you're like in a shop or something. Just knowing the name of the box doesn't always help. So what's supposed to be in here is right here. Foil promo card, Mewtwo EX, oversized card, 4 boosters, and a code for online. Let's take another drink here. Get bold. well, if you're wondering what that message was, that was Hangouts, and that was Squeers laughing at my misfortune on the last battle box I opened up. Amazon warehouse deals aren't always deals. That person had even cut the bottoms off the packs, so when you initially look in there, he got me. Because the tops were still like that, so it didn't look like he had opened them. My guess is, well, I can tell you, they were all common cards in there. So, popped her open, cut the bottoms off, and then smashed it to make it look like it had been damaged during shipping and sent it back. I can tell you, I've had stuff damaged during shipping that wasn't catastrophic. Heck, I've even bought Amazon warehouse stuff that turned out well. And with Pokemon, with how rare it is to get it, unless they're a freaking sketchy AF reseller, they would have kept it. Alright. So, let's pop this off here. Oh, that's one of the ones with the 2 tabs up top. I bet you money this card's bent. It's pretty dope looking though. I'll admit that. This is just Mewtwo EX Box. Alright. Let's label up one of my card sleeves here. Mewtwo EX Box. It's like an Xbox, but an E Xbox. Shake it like you just don't care. And we can take a look at the small Mewtwo EX card here. There you go. It's pretty badass. Slip that in there. Then we have a Fates Collide, a Breakpoint, a Breakpoint, and a Steam Siege. Then we have a big ol' the Chungus himself, Mewtwo EX card. There you go. That's the big boy. For now, we will just put him over here. They're always bent too. I don't think I've ever seen one not bent. And we will get right to doing some Pokemon pulls. I always go with the 2 that are, or whatever, say if we have, whichever is the most common one here, which is Breakpoint. We're going to do those first here. Sorry if the lighting quality went down some, but I got a banging headache here. Probably into a migraine. Not good. Weather today is going to shit. So, yeah. Below 0, and we got some good old couple inches of snow rolling in. So I'm guessing that's why. Because I didn't have it a bit ago before it started snowing. So we're just going to do these. I was planning on maybe doing one more deck or something. But no, we're going to hold it off at these guys here. Turn down some of the lights a wee bit, so quality of video. We're at like 1250 ISO. Normally we're lower than that. So just something a bit more chill and low key here. Oh. Of course, the first one is a bugaboo here. Yeah. Tore it in the middle first. So I've got them skills, yo. So what we're supposed to do again is, once again, break point. Take trainer card off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, apparently not on this one. You're not supposed to do that. One. Okay, just that guy back there. It's 3 on this one, as a heads up. 3. We got a good pull. Let's put it that way, okay? You know what? We're gonna try something real quick. Here's our Joby Gorilla Pod. We're gonna use this dude here, or try to. Oh gosh, we weren't recording. Oh no! So, Scissor Spirit Link, Perugly, Slowbro. Really like the Slowbro art there. Glameow. Gibble. Chikorita. Timple, like Tadpole, and Spritzy. And then we had a Reverse Hollow All Night Party trainer card, and this Darkrai EX, looking pretty badass here. I accidentally forgot to hit record there, but I'm gonna go get the even shorter Joby Gorilla Pod that I barely use, and see if that'll work perfect for this. Because realistically, the one I'm on now is made for like DSLR and mirrorless, like smaller DSLR and bigger mirrorless cameras. So let's see here. Oh no frickin' way! Well, apparently I wasn't recording this whole time, guys. This is why you shouldn't record videos with a headache. I mean, there's a big red light in my face that says it's recording, and when it's not. Yeah. Yeah. See? Crazy. Crazy. Well, I'm not going back over everything. I will, however, go back over our hollows here. We had some good pulls this pack, or this Mewtwo EX box. We, of course, have well, anybody who gets this box, Mewtwo EX, followed by Reverse Hollow All Night Party. Was not all that pumped about that, but then that was followed by an unexpected Darkrai EX. Yes, I know these sleeves make it look boring. Gotta go pick up some more of the matte yellow Dragon Shields. And then, no Reverse Hollow in this pack, but a Greninja Break. No idea how rare that is, but it's pretty badass. I haven't had a break card yet, so. Followed by like full hollow, hard to tell with this sleeve, Trainer Stadium KS Tower, and a hollow white Kyurem, I think. Wrong there. And a like this one too, for being a hollow, is impossible to see in the sleeve. Pretty much, you can see a little bit, like right there. It's not very hollow even out of it. Reverse hollow Mantine, followed by a hollow Yveltal. So, yeah, some pretty darn good pulls on the on tonight's Props Pokemon pulls with a migraine because of the oncoming snow here. So, yeah, there was a lot of me forgetting to record stuff this time, even though I put a nice red light on the back telling me it's going, because I'm just out of it. And hopefully you still enjoyed it so much. This was probably one of my best pulls yet. Well worth it, IMO. Remember, just because my Mewtwo EX box was this good doesn't mean yours will, so don't count on it. Yeah, it's all luck of the draw. See you next time.